Hello beauties, what's up and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be taking a sneak peek and looking at a full variation box of Boxycharm's March 2019 box. It's a full box variation. And before we get into that, I just want to remind you of the 5,000 subscriber appreciation giveaway we have going on. It's a huge one, and I won't have another big one like this until 10,000 subscribers, so you want to get in on this one. Of course, we'll have our regular monthly giveaways, which range from $75 to $100 in makeup products, but this is a huge one. We have Natasha Denona, BH Cosmetics, ColourPop, Hourglass, Becca Cosmetics, and it is huge. So read the rules under the video. It tells you everything you need to know. And if you have any questions, just email me at kendijane18@gmail.com. If you forget my email address, it's always in the description area of the video. What is Boxycharm? It is a $21 a month subscription box, which includes shipping. It has 4 to 5 full-size beauty products, and the value of these products will total a value of over $100. Subscription boxes are big right now, and Boxycharm is one of the biggest makeup subscription boxes out there. Starting with number 1, it's the Cover FX All-in-One Perfector Face Palette that sells for $45. Now, this comes in 2 different shades. They'll go by your quiz to pick which one you should get in your box. The second product is from Moda Brushes, a 2-piece powder and soft glow kit, which sells for $29.99. The 2 brushes are a powder brush, which you can use to put translucent powder on your face to create a flawless finish, and a glow brush or highlight brush to sweep a luminous glow onto the high planes of your face. Now, this set of brushes has elegant rose gold handles with synthetic fibers, and you can use them either wet or dry. The third product is from Wander Beauty. It's the Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Face Mask, and it sells for $34. It's a bright berry pearl purifying and brightening mask. It has intense antioxidants to intensify, detoxify, and awaken dull skin. Our fourth product is from Appeal Cosmetics, and it's a rose gold liquid eyeshadow. These sell for $21, and this color is so on trend. You can put this on your lid. I'm very excited to see how this product and this brand works. Fifth is from Ofra Cosmetics. It's the long-lasting liquid lipstick in Monte Carlo, and it's a beautiful icy cool pink with a metallic finish. And here you can see it in a light skin tone, a medium skin tone, and a dark skin tone. This is a beautiful color for all skin tones, I think. So these are your 5 products in this box variation. And just to recap, we have the Cover FX All-in-One Perfector Face Palette, which sells for $45. We have the Moda Brush Powder and Soft Glow Kit for $29.99. We have the Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Face Mask for $34. Fourth, we have Appeal Cosmetics Rose Gold Liquid Eyeshadow for $21. Then we have from Ofra Cosmetics the Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Monaco. These sell for $20. So this is one box variation, you guys. And the value of these 5 products is $149.99. And all you paid was $21. Guys, this is such a bargain. You're paying for the lippy and getting all these other products for free. I don't know why anybody would not want this box. This box looks awesome. The products, the brands, I just have to say this one is pretty good. Subscribers, I need your help. I wanted to put up, these are some of the perks that I would get if I got chosen for the 2019 Sephora Squad this year. And I would receive free products and have early access to these products to be able to show them to my subscribers first. And that way you'd get a jump on things and know what you would want to buy that's out there. You know, it's always good to have the first opportunity to see these products. And then another thing, they would consider my videos for upload on the Sephora channel. That way I would get more views. You would get peer and professional coaching, and Lord, this is probably the most useful thing for me that I would need. This would be, oh my God, I can't even tell you how much that would help me to have somebody that's a professional at doing videos to help me with this. And then they have network events and content collaboration opportunities, I guess, with other Sephora Squad members. Now, I just want to let you guys know that I am asking for your help to please give me a testimonial, because this testimonial goes with my application as part of my application process. And I just want the channel to have a good showing. But everybody knows that I have an eye issue. And because of my left eye, that eye kind of stays closed more than my other eye. And I don't know if Sephora would even choose somebody with a disability that would look different in photographs, you know. So it's a long shot, but with my disability, it makes it even that much more of a long shot. I've lived with this eye disease all my life, and I know the things that come up that I just possibly can't get picked for. So, saying that, I just want you to know that the last day to put in a testimonial is on March 6th at 11:59 Pacific Standard Time. Then on the 7th, they start with the selection process. On the 15th, they pick the finalists, and I think they tell you who they are. And the final Sephora Squad will be picked and announced on Friday, March 29th. So guys, that's the deal. All I'm asking for you to do for me is all you gotta do is put your email address and say a few things about the channel that you like. And that's it. You know, it's a shot in the dark. Like I said, I never get chosen for things like this. I usually, you know, and it is what it is, but I just wanted to get your support on this. And to tell you the truth, the free products don't mean that much to me. That's not the highest thing that I see getting this. Getting them early, that's a big deal. If I could buy them and get them early, that would be the best thing. But it's the collaboration with Sephora and learning more of how to make my videos and make them better. That's the whole thing of this project. And also, you know, I like to give, so the more products I get and can pass on, if you know what I'm talking about, I would be able to have more giveaways, more products. So just think about it, and if you could take a few minutes out of your time today, just click on that link and do this for me. And you subscribers that have already done this for me, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I wish I could have a big party and invite you all over to have cake and punch or whatever. You know, that's not possible. But I just want to thank whoever has done this already for me. So that's it, guys. And I know y'all are probably tired of hearing me ask for these testimonials, but it's almost over. So The Sephora thing ends on the 6th and the giveaway ends on the 8th. So everything's coming to a head pretty soon. And I'd like to ask you to please share and subscribe if you haven't already done so. And before you get off, can you please put a lipstick emoji at the end of your comment? On the last video, I forgot to put one. And if you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up. And until I see you again, guys, bye.